Load your family into the 2014 Dodge Durango. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Dodge infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, speed-sensitive wipers, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.